Alright, more RC Adventures. Kind of difficult. All this in a two-wheel drive video. Zoom in some. Forward, reverse, backwards. Alright, let's go up where the snow is and see if I can climb down. My four-wheel drive one did once. The other times I had to push it down. Alright, let's see what it can do. That also helps with off-road because it pushes like you stay up.
Two snowballs! What should I throw to that tree?
My truck. Fire! You missed. You got it.
Finally. Now you got us too. Get some hard snow. Y'all do it. It's hard.
Quit it. Not mess it down. In the cold spring.
Let's not throw this out.
I don't know. Go!
Hey, look at all these polka dots.
Yeah. So outside here. You can see the trail from where my RC truck went.
Ah! Jonathan, what?
Right, now let's make a trail. This one's a booger.
Jonathan, look! Ah!
Poor little guy.
Out! Ah! Back the big tree!
Gosh.
Ah!
Quit. Move.
Oh, sorry.
I'm gonna hit you. I would take my Mustang out here, but the tires on there are too slick to even go through. I've been tried it. Let's see what's going on.
Snowball. Watch out!
Yeah, quit.
Look what I'm doing. Combine together.
Wait.
Equals.
I think I froze it. You hear it? Oh, we're losing power.
Get some pepper.
I think I just lost all power.
I can totally make a fix.
I just lost all my power in the the right side. I froze my engine. I just froze my engine. Yeah, it's not going at all.
Do you want me to throw this at the top of the house?
This is the right side, this is the left side.
Jonathan, do you want me to throw this at the top of the house?
Both forward.
Do you want me to hit this at the top of the house with snowballs?
Let's pick it up. I think I just killed the engine. Damn, shut up. I don't... What the world? Oh. Alright, I think I froze it. I think I just killed it. Snow must have... I think... Yes. Alright, let's see if it'll work. Oh, we got the power back. I lost it again.
Hey, Jonathan, take this.
I got the power.
Matt Jonathan gave
It won't go reverse.
Hey, Jonathan.
Yeah, I'm losing power in that. See? You see, hear it? When it gets lower, that means it's sending power to that one, but nothing's happening. Yeah, I just killed it. Look, the right side won't work. Throw it at it. Slap some sense into it.
I'm gonna kill this.
Slap some sense into it. Hit the car. All I did was kill the whole thing. Yeah, I have a feeling I broke it. I'm gonna sit. It's not responding.
No.
It will not respond.
Hey, Jonathan. Take
I was
this.
her off.
Jonathan.
Yeah. See, tell you what happens after.
Let's go! Party Rock is in the house tonight. Everybody just have a good time. And we gonna make you lose your mind. Everybody just have a good time. Party Rock is in the house tonight. Everybody just have a good time. And we gonna make you lose your mind. We just wanna see ya shake that. In the club, Party Rock, looking for your girl, she's on my job. No stop when we in the spot. Booty move away like she on the block. What's the track? I got to know. Top jeans too, cause of rock and roll. Half black, half white, domino. Game the money out the door. I'm running through these holes like Drano. Got the established flow. Rock and roll, no halo. Yeah, that's the crew that I'm repping. On the rise to the top, no Latin, no Zeppelin. Party Rock is in the house tonight. Everybody just have a good time. And we gonna make you lose your mind. Everybody just have a good time. Party Rock is in the house tonight. Everybody just have a good time. And we gonna make you lose your mind. We just wanna see ya shake that, shake that, shake that.